hi. My name is Tushar Chopale. I'm a proud founder and CVO, Cloud Counselage Pvt Limited. It's an IT and management services company with a social cause at heart. The social cause being to help the students pan India get job ready in time, thus bridging the ever-widening gap between the industry and academia. I want to tell you my story today. Long back when I passed out my engineering, there was no campus placement, no mentorship, no internship. There is no one to actually guide us in our careers. There was no confidence, to crack the interview. I don't want you guys to face that kind of ordeal. That's the reason why we have actually come up with an internship program for you guys to get you a job ready in time. I want you to attend our internship program, which has got a great reviews in the last 3 years. It is actually most loved offering of ours. I invite you to the internship program